Yeah.
We're going to tap into Lily Phillips.
Yes.
Lily Phillips is a young lady who has slept with 100 men in one day. And she had an emotional breakdown afterwards. But now she did. And now she's pushing for 1,000. Currently, the record is 919. Do you guys think that she can get to that 1,000? And there's actually...
And it's a video, though. I mean, like... Yo,
let's watch.
Let me see this video.
Lily.
Let's watch this video.
I'm drinking coffee.
So on Saturday, I got run through by 101 guys. Now, I've had a lot of backlash so far about it. And I've seen some of the videos and I see your side. Like, I am not trying to encourage all the girls to be doing that, like if they don't want to and feel like they have to do that. I'm just a girl trying to enjoy myself, trying to have fun, trying to make some content for you all, you know, trying to get my bag. Like, this is fun to me. This is what I enjoy. No one is forcing me to do this. And I feel like we're going back in time to where women are getting shamed for being a sluzzer, when I thought that's what we were trying to get away from.
I think sometimes like feeling so like robotic, like by the 30th, you know, like when we're getting on a bit, I've got like a routine of like how we're going to do this. And like, it just, sometimes you'd like disassociate and be like, you know, like it's not like normal at all. In my head right now, I can think of like 5, 6 guys, 10 guys that I remember. And that's it. But it's just, I don't know, it's just weird, isn't it? Like, if I didn't have the videos, I wouldn't have known I've done 100, you know?
You watched them back? Yeah, damn.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
That was a woman?
What do you think? What do you think it was?
I don't know, man. That's kind of weird for me, bro. But you know what? My belief on that is she can do whatever she wants to do. She's
1,000 men.
Now
that means that each man, if they were to do it one by one, would be 1 minute and 44 seconds each.
Why is it 1 minute and 44 seconds?
So, but how they do?
To get 1,000 in 24 hours.
24 hours?
Yeah.
Continuously. Moving.
So that means I don't have time to come?
Maybe not. It depends.
It's
Some
not,
men.
maybe no.
Some
You
men.
can't.
Yeah, no, you don't have time.
Some can in 30 seconds.
So
Let's
say some can in 30 seconds?
30 seconds. So,
Hey!
Is that from experience?
from what I've heard.
Okay.
So now,
okay.
She doesn't have sex.
Yeah.
I don't.
They each
But she's a mother of 3.
allocated.
Virgin Mary type. Mother of 2.
Anderson, 1,000.
Okay.
Can the vagina support that kind of?
When was the last time I told you I have a vagina?
I was just about to say, I'm like, what?
So,
What the fuck?
Is there something you're not telling us?
Scientifically speaking, it will not be.
Listen, I should be the one talking to you. Now you're talking to me. Now let me.
Yeah, let's ask you.
Oh no!
How do you think you
Why
can
do you
handle
think-
1,000?
Why do you think the other person stopped at
Okay,
919?
Answer like that question.
Do you think you can handle 1,000 in 24 hours?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
What would happen to you if you try
What
to
will
do
happen
1,000
to
guys?
a woman in general?
What would happen?
Abrasion, tear, swelling.
Oh.
1,000.
Maybe she's choosing the sizes too.
Maybe she is, because as a matter of fact, there's a casting call on X.
Oh, see,
I think he put in his application, right, Anderson?
No, that's what they said earlier, that you put in an application.
There's a
for.
casting call for it.
I sent a picture of my resume. I got rejected.
Because you would cause the swelling.
Yeah. They said, oh, no, I ain't taking no Zoe. Nah. So, hey, guess what happened?
No
All she got is Chinese guy. In the whole casting. Still, man. Yo, you said quiet on the damn show tonight. What's wrong with you?
What do you think?
No,
Sandy?
I mean, I see that, you know, we got.
Is it light skin syndrome?
There's a good conversation going on, but I had the opportunity. I was watching Fresh and Fit before she decided that she to do that 100 guy, and she came on the show. She seemed like a very lovely lady. She had a friend actually her friend was a little bit more wild than her, but I think you know, like Mallory's saying, it's crazy. 100 was, she cried after doing 100. Now you're gonna do 1,000. Right? Mentally, how do you prepare for something like that?
I hope she doesn't kill herself.
Yeah, because there'll definitely be some emotional trauma there. Could be, right?
Emotional trauma.
Yeah.
And as a matter of fact, we were looking just for her.
You could tell after, because I watched, there was a guy that was doing a documentary on her from beginning to end, right? And then after that, when she came in, that little section that you had there when she was talking, you could tell she was getting emotional because she finally realized what she'd just done, right? So basically she was in the act and you heard her saying, I only remember 4 or 5 guys, but at some point it's settling in and she can realize that, my God, I just did this crazy thing, right? But now, publicity, money, and she has a huge OnlyFans following. She wants to push for more and more, and there's money to be made with it. But from what I heard, she's from a wealthy family.
Okay,
she's not really doing the damn thing for money.
And but guess here's the fun.
That's what she said.
But here's the thing, guys. Listen to me. We are living in a society right now. And people will do anything for fame. Anything. If you really look at it in some artists, some actors, when they're young, they're in their height. And when they start getting old, they become depressed, alcoholic, drug addict, depression. The reason why is because they see what? Everybody is not showing them as much interest as before. Let me tell you this. A lot of people wants to be validated. A lot of people wants to be famous. But I look at it this way. It's a devil trade. Being famous is what? People adore you. People see you as God. So automatically, you feel that way. And then, and when you see that, you losing those type of people that used to love you, adore you, do things for you. That's practically what God requested himself as a spirit. Like, that's the reason why a lot of people are trying to serve God, But these people, it's in them. They don't feel like they're nothing without being famous. And like you said, she's come from a wealthy family. So at the end of the day, she's definitely not doing it for money. She's doing it because she wants to be famous. She wants to look at the Kardashian. It's all about everybody that wants to be superstar. They all want to feel like God. For people to adore them, for people to prostrate in the front of them. That's all it's all about.
Well, I mean, she's already famous from the 100.
Oh, believe me, that's the part that you don't understand. The moment you taste it. You taste it. You just keep wanting for more.
Right.
And that's why the devil always gave it to you. Simple as that. You see? Because at the end of the day, it's not normal.
For you to want,
For you to even, not even if you can. You understand? Même là, tu coûtes mon chat dans le bague Mac. But at the end of the day, dude, even 1,000 men, 100 men, and in reality, the way that women created the instinct inside of you was not for you to be with 100 men.
Okay.
Do you understand my point?
Okay, right.
So therefore, the reason why she's crying because it's the guilty conscience that's automatically inside of her. But guess what happened? The moment that second of conscience fade away, guess what's kicking in? The famous vision is stronger. There's the desire to remain famous is stronger. And let me tell you this, doesn't matter how wealthy your family is, believe me, dude.
Right.
Greed don't have nothing to do with wealth. Simple as that.
Right.
But at the end of the day, just like you said, that's her choice.
And another interesting point is that when they were gathering the 100 men, some of them had cold feet and took off. They no longer wanted to
because they don't want people to see this.
So now that they're recruiting, they're going above the 1,000 in case that there are some that are going to have cold feet. They'll still have 1,000 to keep going.
That still got a chance.
Does she have a boyfriend or anything?
Boyfriend? Oh, come on, bro.
Listen, you see.
Listen, she won't have a boy. She's going to have a pimp.
Yeah. She may not have a pimp. She may have a little pet to bust around.
Yeah, let me tell you something. Even after 100, and she still decides, I'm not gonna fall for the whole crying bit or whatever it is.
At this point, you know what you're doing.
Because she even said it, hey, I'm here for content, the whole 9 yards. So that could just be a selling point to make people interested in watching it even more.
Right.
And because we love content so much, because this is a content driven world, we'll fall into that.
And what do people want?
They want
people want people to follow them.
They want people to follow them.
That's it.
And again, it's because of technology, because the Guinness World Record actually removed that as a category. In 1990, they were like, no, due to STDs, we're not having how many people can sleep the most with with as many people.
So they don't use condom?
No,
I don't know.
They actually do use condom. I was watching like a quick clip of it. And you can see there was like condoms
so you watch porn
all over the floor.
Yeah, but it's not pleasurable.
No, like I said.
So you are watching it to do the show. So that was your research to do the show tonight.
There's a guy that was doing a documentary that was following her.
Okay.
As she was getting ready for it and interviewing her and asking questions.
Okay.
They weren't showing you the face of the guys, but they were showing you their feet, right?
Okay.
So they'll show you their feet and they were showing you the floor. There was like hundreds of condoms, lots of condoms all over there. I'm like, this whole thing is nasty. I mean, if I was in a setup like that, I don't know how I would even get excited about it.
I would not even have a hard on. I mean,
but
like,
rubber
they prep them as the line goes through. They prep them, make sure that they're ready.
But
so
was
that
there lube? Did they use the?
They have to.
Did they use the Diddy Vaseline?
Without lube, she can't do it.
Did they use the Diddy Vaseline?
I don't know, man.
The oil.
Yeah, the oil.
The baby oil.
Because imagine that much friction in rubber.
That's what I was saying. The vagina cannot. You definitely.
Me, the reason why I'm not going because the minute is too short. I need a longer time. Because if I'm gonna do something like that, expose myself, that means I have a lot to lose.
You need more time.
So I need more time.
You gotta finish.
No.
You should be the last one, huh?
I should be the last one.
Yeah.
Do not stop me because I have a lot to lose. I have company, I have friends, I have my friend's wife.
You're no longer invited to family barbecues.
I'm not looking at fight. I mean, like, I cannot even get close to nobody's kids. Not even my own nieces and nephews.
Oh my God.
I mean, like, Mono would not talk to me anymore.
But you have 100 million followers, if that's what you like.
Hey, we would go viral on your back, man.
Exactly.
We'll just fly.
Yeah. But you know what? Before we bring Mono into this, but do you know? Guess what? Here's what women don't understand in society, and they will understand it now. You say, doesn't matter how it is. She's a shameful woman. Doesn't matter. Even you have women that would do the same thing. They right now, while they're not doing it, they're looking at her as a disgrace. But guess what? If it was a guy doing it, as a matter of fact, I believe if it was a guy, I say, you know what? I'm gonna bang 1,000 women. You would see. It's nothing.
That's true.
You won't even hear about it.
Nothing. You'll not even hear about it.
Nope.
Chup, 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 chup.
The problem is she said she loves it.
1,000 women. Chup, 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 chup.
He said the problem is she says she loves it.
That's what she says I was watching that too. She says it's something that she always liked to do.
And it's fun for her.
But she couldn't handle the 100. After the 100, she broke down.
I told you it was fake. I'm telling you.
It was fake.
A lot of this stuff is really made up.
No, maybe she received a text from her mama. Say, you know what? I disown you. Wow, man.
Yeah, I mean.
I told you, women? Why?
The Diddy situation, all that stuff.
I mean, they're fighting. Mm-hmm. They're fighting for that freedom, though.
All right. Now, guys, listen. I believe some people subscribe, okay? Subscribe to our channel, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and share and give me love. As you guys know, it's one thing I ask. Give me love. Share the post. And we have a lot of great show that Republic gonna bring for us. And again, only one thing you have to do, go ahead and subscribe to all our channel.